Hi everybody, in this video I show you how to change gear oil in Renault 1.2 engine manual car. Very simple. Let's get started. Okay, now the car is on ramps. You can use a jack and jack stands, doesn't matter. What you need to do is remove this skirt, this bottom skirt. There's a couple of screws. I showed this in my other videos. I remove the piece and I show you where the bolts. This is the piece. You got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 5 bolts, 10 millimeter, very easy. Now this is the front of the car, and if you go underneath, here you can see the oil pan, and if you go here, this is the gearbox, and all the way in the back, let me show you, the way in the back, this is the plug you need to remove with the Renault special socket. I put links in the description box below if you want to check all the tools and products in the video. So let's remove the oil. Just for reference, this is the oil pan, this is the gear oil, this is the plug, and over here on the side, not really on the side, but here, you can see this plug, this butterfly, it's only plastic. This is the fill plug. So it's recommended to remove it first, so that you know that you can fill oil after it. If not, you are in a real big trouble. So let's try to remove it now. So I crack it loose. You can see it's loose. Now I can remove the plug over here. I get my bucket. Pretty new. I replaced it 3 years or so ago. But it's better to change if you have the tools and time. I put new washer and I replace. Now it's supposed to torque to 25 Newton meter, but I do it by feel. Clean a little bit. This is snug. That's it. Now you don't have oil in the gearbox, so you cannot start the car. You cannot. But I'm lazy. The proper way to do it is to put it on 4 jack stands, and the car should be level, not like this, level. What I love to do, because again, this is my way, I'm lazy sometimes, I use the ramps and I go to the car without starting the car. I just with a friend, I got a friend next to me. I roll the car, he rolled the car, and I use the e-brake, and now the car is level. And I can put a tube and refill the gearbox. You do it whatever way you want to do it. It doesn't matter, but don't start the car without oil. This could be a bad day. Okay, so this is the setup. I got a funnel, goes down all the way to the butterfly I showed earlier in the video. Now I take my oil. Just pour it. About 3 liters, 2.8 to be exact. You need to see that the oil is come out of the hole. So let me take you to where I fill the hole. Let me show you. So this black part, this is the funnel. This is the fill hole. Now I put the last liter, and you can see oil start coming out. and then when it's come out I know I'm done and I can close the hole. Now I remove the fill hole. This is already goes out. I overfill, obviously. Now I close the hole and tight. The recommended oil for this car is 75 W80 GL5. I use this brand. You don't need to use this brand, but you definitely want to use the correct oil for this car. This is a 1.2 engine. Now the car again on ramps with support of jack stands, and I install back the lower splash shield. Then I come back. After I put back the lower cover, you can see it. Now I can remove the car, and that's it. The job is finished. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Please, any question, put it down below, and I will try my best to answer all your questions. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.